Hi friends, today I am going to talk about the provisions which are contained in the section 167 subsection 2 of CRPC. Whenever an offence is registered, the investigation has to be completed in time. The investigation cannot be stretched forever. There is an obligation which is put on police officers to complete the investigation as right on time as would be expedient. If you look at the sections which I have mentioned, specifically section 167 subsection 2 of CRPC, you will find that whenever there is a less serious offense, then the investigation has to be completed within 60 days. When there is a serious offense, the investigation has to be completed within 90 days. And in exceptional situations, the investigation can be completed within 180 days. So the police officers are under obligation to file the charge sheet in the court within 60 days or 90 days or 180 days. If the police force or if the officer in charge or if the investigating officer fails to file charge sheet in the court within 60 days, 90 days, 180 days, then the accused or the person who has been arrested by the police officers, he becomes eligible for default bail. He has to be released immediately on bail, and that bail is nothing but the default bail. And that default bail is given because the police officers have failed to file charge sheet against the accused. So the accused cannot remain in jail forever. He has to be released on default bail. Suppose the investigation is not completed within 60 days, 90 days or 180 days, and I am the accused who has been put behind the bar. Now I become eligible for default bail, but during that time, suppose the police officers file charge sheet after say 60 days or 90 days or 180 days, and at that time if they say that we have filed the charge sheet even though not in time, but we have filed it belated, hence the accused is not eligible to get the default bail. If this is the side which has been put forward by the government leader or the police officers, then what happens to my default bail right? In this case, no matter when they file the charge sheet, within time or after time, if they file within time, that is before 60 days, 90 days, 180 days, then I will not be eligible to get the default bail provisions. But if the police officers file charge sheet after say 60 days, 90 days or 180 days, obviously I will be eligible to get the default bail from 60 days onwards, 90 days onwards or 180 days onwards. They cannot say that we have filed belated charge sheet and that is why you cannot get default bail. No, I will have that right. If you wanted to file the charge sheet, you have to file it within 60, 90 or 180 days. You fail to do so, that's why I become eligible for the default bail. And hence, I will be surely released on default bail. In this regard, I would like to quote three judgments. The first judgment is judgment by Allahabad High Court. In it, the court says the default bail provision is a fundamental right which is given to the accused and which is guaranteed under the Article 21 of Indian Constitution, and hence it has to be upheld or upheld. The second judgment is by the Supreme Court of India in the case of Rakesh Kumar Paul versus State of Assam. In that case, the Supreme Court says the trial courts are under obligation to consider the default bail plea if the charge sheet is not filed in time. In yet another case, Bikramjit Singh versus State of Punjab, Supreme Court says if the charge sheet is not filed within time, then the right of the accused to get the default bail is indefeasible. So the Supreme Court is quite clear, High Courts are quite clear, the section 167/2 is quite clear that you are eligible to get the default bail if the investigation is not completed in time and charge sheet is not completed or filed in time. The second point I would like to talk about is anticipatory bail. What happens to anticipatory bail if the charge sheet is filed. So the question is like this: whether the anticipatory bail application be entertained if the charge sheet is filed, or am I under obligation to file anticipatory bail application before the filing of charge sheet? Now, if I want to get anticipatory bail or pre-arrest bail, then it is not obligatory on me to file anticipatory bail application before the filing of charge sheet. I can file anticipatory bail application before filing of charge sheet or even after the filing of charge sheet. If the charge sheet is filed and if my anticipatory bail application lies pending after the filing of the charge sheet, then the court or the government leader or the police officers, they cannot say that since the charge sheet has been filed, the accused who has filed the anticipatory bail application, he has been deprived of, or he is not eligible to get the anticipatory bail. They cannot say like that. Anticipatory bail application can be filed before the charge sheet or even after the charge sheet. There is no restriction, and there is no restriction to have the FIR being registered. Even though the FIR is not registered, at that time also the person who is apprehending the arrest, he can approach the session court to get anticipatory bail. Know your rights. The accused is innocent until he is proven guilty. That's why the accused have been given certain very fundamental rights which have to be upheld. Thank you so much.